What I've learned at Port Royal University is that it's never too late to start your career and fix your life.
So as we moved into mid-September, we realized a few things. We realized that the pace of recovery was going to be much longer, several months. We had the team members that had been impacted and were on leave would be coming back soon. Some of our team members were working on property, were needed in the immediate rebuilding efforts, and lots more of our team members were volunteering throughout the community, and our administrative team had relocated downtown. So we were really all spread out, and in thinking about, you know, what's the best way to move forward? What's the right approach on this? We reached out to companies that had been in similar situations. We talked with our board. We really sought as much counsel as we could, and then again we returned to our values, and we saw keep getting better, a value that we had adopted many years ago. And to us, what pulled all that together was a comprehensive training program. It took a while for it to take shape, and Pat's going to tell you a little bit more about that, but in those late days in September, Port Royal University was born.
We began Port Royal University as a comprehensive training program. We have been brought together to be concerned not only about our careers, but also about our personal wellness. In early October, we announced the new training initiative, and it was met with great enthusiasm by our employees because it gave us purpose to this very long wait as our property began the process of rebuilding. Our 4 destinations of our training focus are personal excellence, team excellence, career excellence, and then finally Port Royal excellence. Many of our employees had never taken the time for personal reflection about their own personal life skills. This way, we had a chance to really focus on being our best self in addition to being a better employee. Our beginning sessions included topics such as goal setting, financial wellness. We held a health fair so that our employees could take maximum advantage of our benefits that we offer to them for not only themselves but also their families. Mental wellness, and we even created vision boards, just to name a few of the topics we've covered. We began reading the book, The Success Principles by Jack Canfield, as our foundation. And one of our favorite phrases is no excuses. That became one of our key mantras going through our training program.
One thing was learning how to manage my funds, my money. Other things were having confidence in myself, building my confidence up to succeed and to achieve all my goals I have. You know, starting from the emergency funds all the way to my wallet goals. As of right now, I'm doing my GED, trying to get my career going, you know, in some kind of way, getting my high school diploma. And from there, you know, I'm just gonna work harder into moving up.
My favorite part in Port Royal University was the unity. The way it brought us all together, and then I understood more about strength in numbers. With our mission being to come back better and stronger, I understand how us meeting together for the purpose of a common goal was so important, and encouraging all of us to get on board with the mission.
One of the things I've learned during Port Royal University is how to enhance my financial abilities as a person. I had the opportunity of learning from one of our owners, Bill Mann. Mr. Mann challenged us as an employee of Port Royal to save $85 from each of our paychecks throughout 6 months of reopening. I actually decided that I wanted to double that, and I was going to save $200 from every paycheck. Another great aspect from what I've learned from Port Royal University is we are all one big family.
At Port Royal University, I learned in order to achieve personal excellence, you have to take 100% accountability for your actions. You can't look for anyone to blame, you need to look in the mirror. That also goes to my favorite part of Port University. The video of Eric Thomas, the speaker, was very good. He hit me right in the heart, and I liked a lot of his quotes. Another one that stuck with me was, "You can make time or make an excuse."
Several employees have committed to GED classes, a variety of personal and professional classes at the Texas Workforce Center, such as Excel and personal leadership. We have an employee looking at English as a second language and even a driving class. The personal pride from each individual commitments are exciting to watch. Employees have developed a level of confidence they didn't have before, and they're willing to truly punch outside of their comfort zones to raise the level of excellence in their own lives. The benefits of our training and community service and community education has been more than we ever dreamed it would be. Our employees are working and learning side by side with team members in departments that they didn't work with closely before, and they're building strong relationships that will benefit our teams and our guests when we return to the property. We have tackled the challenges of communication barriers, and we've given our employees the tools to hold each other accountable for delivering 100% every day. We have truly learned to find the silver lining and the rainbow after the storm so that we could become better people. We are Port Royal strong because we are not letting the storm define us, but we are defining ourselves through our goals, our efforts, and our resolve to be the very best.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of Port Royal Strong. I wanted to say thanks to the community and to the hundreds of thousands of people that watch these videos each and every week. We really appreciate all the comment, love, and support that you give to our teams as we go through this journey. To see all of our other episodes and our trailer, check out portroyalstrong.com.